Hi, filmers. This is my ship. Well, it can be your ship. This is going to be me also. And this can be you guys, or the pets, or these guys in the party. You can be anybody in the ship. But like when they go down that waterfall, it cracked. So I'm going to do it. Okay. Sure. Ooh. Ah! My ship sunk. Sorry, filmers. That was lame. Ooh. Ooh. Everybody, the ship crashed into something. I don't know. Ah! I like to move my bottom. Alright. This kind of looks like a pirate ship now. Okay. Let's play my hedgehog, the hedgehog guy. Why is it heading? There's waves! Ah! There's waves! Ah! Sorry, guys. That's kind of a waste of time, I think. But anyways, everybody survived at least. I hope Papa Pig. Is Papa Pig okay? Papa Pig, are you okay? Papa Pig. Thank you. Where these guys look? Is Ryan okay? Is he okay? Is there anybody else? Is your pet's okay? Okay. The hedgehog is at the very bottom. He'll eat. Okay, everyone survived at least, but why am I copying myself? Hi, Mama. No. What? Was that funny? Okay, Mom's booty dance. Just kidding. The theme song of Mom's poopy dance. Just kidding. Okay, why am I repeating myself? This is a very waste of time. Pedro, are you okay? I don't think he is really okay. Okay. Papa Pig's okay. What? There's a ninja head. Bruh. Okay. Oh! Oh! Your pet is having fun at me. Ah! I touched him. Wow, spikes. Okay. Is everybody okay? Okay, bye, filmers.